interesting situation, don't we have here, folks? So what's the solution? You guessed it, online coupons. Say what? Stick with me. It gets better. So do you ever remember these birthday postcards or maybe coupons that you get in the mail? Like I just got a Val pack. It's like a ton of coupons, like 50, 60 coupons from local businesses. And there may be like a money mailer or something equivalent in your town, but we're talking about physical mail, okay? So what we're doing is we're taking these old school coupons and old school birthday marketing that's been done forever offline, and we're taking the same concept, but we're bringing it online. So these are just a few of the reputable restaurants that have started to implement what we call online coupons. Like here's one for Domino's, and here's one to Mimi's Cafe, another one to Marco's Pizza. That way, now what we're doing is we're going to be combining the two of the most effective channels for local businesses, online advertising and coupons, bringing the most responsive customers to their doors. When you look at big brands, they've been doing this for a long time, but local businesses didn't have the resources or the know-how and knowledge to easily implement it quickly and easily until now. And because we're making it possible for them to attract both new and repeat customers, local businesses will gladly pay you $500 per month to keep the campaign running. Like, look at this. This is from a customer of ours. 3 weeks, $3,000, 475 new signups, 117 new customers, 24.6% redemptions. If you know nothing about direct mail, most coupon campaigns, if a business gets even 2 to 3% of redemption, they're doing really well. We're talking about 24.6, $30 average transaction, over $3,000 in gross revenue. Let me ask you a question. Type yes if you think this Italian restaurant owner will happily keep paying $500 a month to make an extra $3,000 per month, and they have new leads that they can follow up and send marketing messages to ongoing. What do you think? Logical. Yes. Makes sense. Of course. Now, I told you we were building, right? Kind of like Legos, right? Got to lay the foundation. We're going to go higher. The entire birthday campaign is very simple. It only has 3 steps. Step 1 is we're going to reach people celebrating a birthday. I'll show you how in a moment. Number 2, we're going to collect their information with smart software. Smart software? Yes, we'll show you that in a moment as well. Number 3 is we're going to deliver these businesses' customers using our smart software. So the ad is step 1. You're going to create, and I'll show you how to do this. This is really the ad, folks. You create a simple Facebook ad with a birthday offer. And I'm going to show you how to target people on Facebook who have an upcoming birthday in just a few minutes. Now, pay attention to the right side of this ad here. It says, celebrating a birthday this week? Then your meal is on the house. To claim your free meal, comment what day your birthday is, claim coupon here. This link is going to go to our smart software, which I'll show you in a moment. And then we do some really cool automation stuff that drives those people into the business. But if you look at this ad, anyone on this call can do this, right? Who on this call, if you were to see a free meal, a coupon like this, would actually say, you know what, I need to come in for this because it's a good offer. It's a dang good offer on my birthday. Absolutely. Who on this call actually sees birthday ads like this on Facebook when it's your birthday? No. I wish. Lots of no's. Are you starting to see opportunity? Yes. So now that you know how to structure a very simple ad, all we're going to do is we're going to use smart software to collect their info. So we collect information such as a name, email, and a phone number. And once a person clicks the ad, he or she will see a smart form like this, which I'll go over in a moment, to get their birthday offer coupon. And we send that to them via text message and email, which you'll learn in just a moment. And because we have our smart software that follows up with these potential customers, we're able